And this is the final physical science lab called Solar Water Heater. So I'm going to show you how I made mine. First, we've got this container that I spray painted black, and we're going to go put water in it. Alright, now that we have our water in here, we're going to measure the temperature of the water. Alright. And now, this little reflector, spray painted silver. I'm going to put that on there, and then put the lid that has clear plastic. And we're going to look at how much water be contained in here. Alright. Put that down. Okay, so now I'm going to write down the starting time for when I take it outside and the ending time for when I bring it back in, and measure the temperature after I bring it back in and see if it heated. Alright, thank you.